What's going on, guys? We have a super exciting video today. We have just received a gift from our good friends up north in the Canada area. These are actually custom-made splitters, side splitters, rear splitters, and a diffuser from
Did I say Chilliwack?
From Chilliwack, Canada. The Instagram user Snowman at Snowman 5.0. I'll link him down below. He's the one that makes these. A lot of people swear by his work, and we will find out how quality these pieces are in just a minute. And from what I understand, they're going to be pretty solid. This had to go through customs to come here. What does that make the Mustang? It's not JDM because it's not Japanese. So is it like CDM? Canadian domestic manufacturing? So this is the hardware. Nuts and bolts. I never thought it was going to be thicker than this. Fancy. Right, it's prepped for paint, so like...
Oh, that's right. Oh.
Stuff come up. Yeah. I figured I would wipe it. Oh, if it was like this, it'd be like the motors on the wing of the airplane.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Push! 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 Oh my God, it's a boy!
Show the people what they want to see.
Because I don't think that's what they want to see. What's up?
This is the rear diffuser.
You can get all kinds of different custom styles. He does some that cut back in right here, so like this would basically be kind of like this edge, but then back down. But I opted for the one that comes all the way out. I think that looks best with those fins. You get different kinds of fins too.
What's that?
These are the rear side splitters for the rear bumper. You can also get custom engravings from him on all these parts. Even the rear diffuser.
What are some things that people get engraved?
I've seen people that do like their Instagram names. I've seen one guy, I really liked what he did. He had, he got the rear ones to say caution flames. So like, when his car shot flames. I thought that was pretty cool, but it's not original, so I didn't want to steal the guy's idea. So there you have it. That is all the new pieces. Did send hardware for everything too, which is good. I'll have to figure out how to attach all of it. Now that we have these in here, I do have to paint them because he gives you the option to have them painted for you so that they have like that ABS texture plastic look. But I opted to not have it painted because I'm a big DIY kind of guy. I actually wanted to make some myself, but wasn't really sure how to go about it. And these are actually really solid pieces. And again, guys, the person that made these is the Instagram user Snowman_50, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I'll make sure to link down below for you guys so you can message him if you'd like to set up your own. Solid pieces, and pretty fair price too. I think he's pretty comparable on the splitters with if you were to buy the Roush ones new. And honestly, these are probably a significantly better product. Because I mean, you can see how thick these are. Definitely excited to get these on the car. So first step first, how to paint them. So that's it for now. We'll catch up with you guys once I've gotten that moving forward. I'm just gonna give them a quick wipe down with some towels and a little bit of alcohol on the towel to try and get a nice clean surface so that we can start spraying. That last coat is pretty dry. I went ahead and took a microfiber and kind of wiped all of it off because there's a little bit of like, you know, I don't know, collection of whatever crap on top. So I'm about to go ahead and spray down coat 3. only been a second in the video for you, but it's been a couple of days for me. I got tired of updating the camera on every stage of paint. So I did that, ended up going with a matte finish on the gloss paint, and I think it came out pretty dang good. So now that everything's done painted, I also actually repainted my front splitter too. And man, it looks so nice now that it's all done, but I do still have to pull the rest of that tape off. So I'm gonna do that. And then once we've done that, it's just a matter of installing the side splitters, because I did actually go ahead and install the rear off camera. Just got carried away one night. So here's your sneak peek at that. Looking pretty damn good. I'm excited to get this car down and on the ground so I can actually see what it looks like with everything on it now that it's done. So just to give you an idea, since I did do it off camera, to install these, all I did was hold them up to the car from underneath, mark one of the holes, basically drill that hole, bolt it into that one spot, and once it was more or less almost tight, I was able to pull it up the rest of the way, finish marking the rest of the spots, and drill those and then bolt them in. Same thing with the rear diffuser. You've got 2 bolts in each of the valance tap-in points, and once you've drilled those, it's just a matter of drilling the holes and putting the bolts in, which is pretty straightforward as far as that goes. Just a matter of double checking your fitment, measure twice, cut once kind of thing. And I gotta say, man, the fitment on these things is phenomenal. There's the slightest gap between the fins and diffuser right here, but I mean seriously, it's like millimeters, so you'll never see that. There you go. But that looks really good. And I think these do flare out a little bit more than the Roush ones, because I think the Roush is more like to about here kind of thing. I'm not 100%. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tape off the front here, get the finished look on the front, and then put the car down so I can get the side splitters on. I'm really glad I decided to repaint this. I actually did 2 textures too, or 2 different paints. So this top portion, this is actually textured paint with a matte finish, and then the bottom is gloss paint with the matte finish. So I don't know if the camera actually picks that up or not, but they are 2 different finishes. And I did that because I wanted this to match the ABS plastic along the sides, because I still have all that, and then these are gloss, smooth finish, so I wanted the bottom portion of the splitter to match the rest of the side splitters. Looks so good now that it's all repainted. We're in the home stretch, boys. Get you a second set of hands. Come on over here, second set of hands. Now that the front and the back are done, that's definitely the ones I recommend starting with, because that's going to be your like positioning, how far out you want it or not. But now with those done, we'll work on the middle, finish the last 3 push pins, and then we'll transition to drilling the holes for the bolts. Okay, side splitter push pins are done. Ooh, that's my first look at it. That's pretty sick. Okay, all done. I will say that I discovered it was a lot easier doing the other side when you just pull down on the push pins that are on the bottom of the rocker panel. I'll try and show you. So yeah, on the bottom of this rocker panel, these push pins here, when you pull down on them, you don't have to pull them all the way out, just enough to give yourself some more wiggle room. It makes it significantly easier when working on the nuts on the top side of the bolts and whatnot, because otherwise that is a tight fit for your fingers, and mine are pretty beat up because of it. So there's the front fascia all cleaned up, looking nice. Rocking that front tow hook. And give you the flare effect here. So it's sitting almost flush with the outside of the wheel. A lot more than if it was just the Roush splitter. There you go. So you can see the actual fins there. Looks fucking sweet. Definitely gonna have to get some cinematic shots, so cue those now. that. I'm definitely really happy with the outcome on these splitters. So huge shout out again to Snowman 5.0. I'm going to link him down below. So if you guys aren't already following him, please do so. I know he's working on new ones for the 2019 Mustang, 2018-19. And he does all the R&D and cutting and testing, fitting and everything like that all on his own. So pretty cool to see someone doing that. Because honestly, the fit and finish on these is phenomenal. I'm super happy with it. Like, the fitment's fucking amazing. I don't know how he does it, but he does it. So super cool. So huge thanks again, David. Really happy with the outcome. Yeah? Hot wife approved?
Still not a fan of the tongue.
I was expecting that.
Like waiting.
Yep. Well, there you go, guys. Even hot wife approved. So outside of the tow hook, but hey, you know, can't win everything. So again.
Well, you can just take it off.
So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video and like the splitters, definitely hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. Comment down below if maybe like what you think, if I should have done a different color or something. I think they look really good the way they are. I know a lot of people prefer the ABS texture that David does, and I thought about it, but I kind of want to do something just a little different, not too different, but I think it looks good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, guys. Peace out.